If you have Trust Wallet, you can buy Dogecoin. You copy the contract address, you go to Trust Wallet, you click on swap. So guys, you will swap BNB to buy Dogecoin. In the search space, you paste the contract address. So guys, you click on the first one showing the Doge logo. You will swap BNB to buy Dogecoin. You click on this green button. So guys, don't forget, you click on the green button, you follow the next step, and you buy Dogecoin. You can also buy Dogecoin on PancakeSwap. You click on Discover, you click on DEX, you click on PancakeSwap. So guys, make sure you have BNB in your wallet. You will swap BNB to buy Dogecoin. You click on Connect, click on Trust Wallet. You can paste the contract address to make things easy for you. So guys, you swap BNB to buy Dogecoin. So guys, don't forget this. You can store your Dogecoin on Trust Wallet. You search for Doge. This is the original Dogecoin contract address. So guys, if you have the original Doge contract address, instead of using BSC chain, you can store your Dogecoin on Trust Wallet. You can also store your Dogecoin if you have SafePower Wallet. You can store your Doge on SafePower Wallet. You search for Doge. So guys, you can see this is BSC chain contract address, and this is the original Dogecoin address. So guys, you can store your Dogecoin using BSC chain or the original Dogecoin contract address. So guys, if you like this video, share this video, comment, subscribe, like. Thanks for watching.